This 2024 Forest River Salem 29 VIEWX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Hewitt, Texas 76643 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Waco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.